Garlic has long been well known for its therapeutic qualities. It's been used for years to enhance flavor to food and to alleviate digestive problems. Garlic is also known for its ability to combat infections and regulate blood pressure. You can now add garlic to your food in the form of grated or diced garlic, but there's another method to get garlic into your diet. Garlic tea is an option. Here's what you need to do to get ready. Bring a glass of water to a boil, and then add a few chopped or minced garlic cloves. You can also throw in some grated ginger. Allow it to cook for another 20 minutes. Remove the pan from the heat and set it aside to cool for 10 minutes. To enhance the flavor of this drink, drain it and add some honey and lemon juice. To get the most out of the following 5 health advantages, drink it first thing in the morning on an empty stomach. 1. Weight loss. This delicious beverage is a fantastic method to lose weight. Garlic tea helps to break down excess fat in various regions of the body. Garlic tea also has metabolism-enhancing effects. This causes passive weight reduction while also suppressing your appetite. To get the most out of this tea's weight loss properties, drink it first thing in the morning. 2. Improved heart health. Garlic is well known for its cholesterol-lowering properties. Drinking garlic tea every morning improves blood circulation while also lowering harmful cholesterol levels. This reduces the risk of heart disease by preventing plaque from obstructing your arteries. Garlic's characteristics have been linked to reduce blood pressure in numerous studies. It also decreases cholesterol levels in the blood. As a result, the risk of heart disease is reduced. 3. Improved respiratory system. Garlic tea can be used to help with respiratory issues. This beverage can be used to treat colds, coughs, fevers, and congestion. For relieving congestion and lowering inflammation in the respiratory tracts, just 1 cup of garlic tea is sufficient. It promotes healing and eliminates underlying microorganisms, effectively treating respiratory infections. 4. Natural antibiotic properties. Instead of taking antibiotics every time you get a minor infection, garlic tea is a simple and effective way to treat those pesky bacterial illnesses. Garlic's natural antibacterial qualities were discovered in ancient Greece, when Greek troops drank it to treat ailments. 5. Boosts immunity. Garlic has antifungal and antibacterial capabilities in spades. Allicin is one of these properties. This substance gives your immune system a boost and helps it fight infections more effectively. Garlic should be consumed with food to reap the best advantages. Thank you for watching and please subscribe for our next video.